Hi listeners. Welcome back to Percakapan channel. Learning English and Bahasa Indonesia. Today you're going to listen to a short story. First part, you listen to a short story, then answer the questions based on the story you've heard. Last part, you retell the story again in your own words. Let's start listening now.
10. Making preparations to travel. Everyone told me to make my travel preparations early, but I thought I had plenty of time. I had no idea how much there was to do and I waited too long before I began getting ready. First, I had to apply for a passport and visa because I was going to visit a foreign country. I had to get several inoculations at the doctor's office. Then I needed to drop by the bank and get some traveler's checks. At the same time, there were many things to be taken care of at home. I had the phone disconnected and the dog taken to the kennels, but I almost forgot to have the milk and newspaper deliveries stopped. The postman had to remind me to leave my forwarding address at the post office. I know it would have slipped my mind if he hadn't mentioned it. The day I was supposed to leave, I realized I still hadn't received my passport and visa. I simply couldn't believe the time had passed so quickly. I was really afraid I would be left behind. Fortunately, the mail was delivered early and my passport arrived. By the time I got to the airport, they were already calling my flight. I just barely had time to make it. As soon as I sat down inside the plane, I remembered that I hadn't taken my camera, but it was too late to worry about that. I would have to buy another one if I wanted to take pictures. I did have a wonderful time during this trip, but the next time I plan to travel, I'm going to be sure to start preparing early enough to avoid all the last-minute problems. Questions. 1. Why did I wait so long to begin getting ready for my trip? 2. What did I need when I was going to visit a foreign country? 3. What were the things I had to take care of at home? 4. Why was I afraid I would be left behind? 5. What did I forget to take? 6. Why is it a good idea to begin making travel plans early? Now, please retell the story again in your own words.
That's the end of the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, give comment and share this link to others. See ya.